सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video we are going to learn about discount. What is the meaning of discount? You can observe when you go to shopping complexes or supermarkets, you can observe the boards 50% off, 40% off, 10% off, or buy one get one. Okay, all these are nothing but discounts. You must familiar with the word discount. Let us go to deeply about discount. What is discount? Discount. So discount is a decrease percent on marked price. One more question raised here. What is that? Marked price. Before going to discount, let us know about marked price first. Okay. Marked price is nothing but the printed cost or price on the object or item or a thing etc. Okay. Market price is nothing but a printed price on the item. Okay. Generally we call that in our general usually in supermarkets or anything MRP. Did you hear about MRP? MRP. This is nothing but maximum retail price. Okay. This MRP we called here marked price. Okay. So generally the discount the shopkeeper give on the MRP. Suppose MRP is 100 rupees. Okay. MRP is 100 rupees is there. We ask the discount on this MRP only. Okay. This MRP is the sale price. Okay. Right. Okay. So we take the discount on MRP. This we call here marked price. Okay. Remember the thing, marked price. Marked price is nothing but it is a printed price on the item or thing. Okay. Right. This marked price we called as list price or catalog price or market price. Okay. All are same. List price, catalog price, market price, or we can call marked price also. This is nothing but printed price on the object. Generally we see the price tags on the cloths or t-shirts or pants, whatever the cloths. When you purchase that, we see the price tags on that. Okay. Right. That is the marked price. Right. So coming to discount. Okay. Discount, we ask the discount to the merchant on the marked price. Okay. We take the discount on marked price. Isn't it? Is it clear? Right. Suppose. So what is the meaning of discount? Discount is a decreased percent on market price, or we call price reduction. Price reduction is called discount, or we call discount as a rebate also. Remember the word rebate. Rebate or discount. Okay. Suppose market price is 100 rupees is there. Okay. So they offered me 10% discount. 10% discount. What is that? Discount is 10% on a t-shirt. Okay. On a t-shirt he offered me 10% discount. What is the amount of discount amount here? Right. So 10% of 100 rupees, that is nothing but 10% into 100, we'll get 10 by 100 into 100. Yeah, that is nothing but 10 rupees is the discount, reduction price. 10 rupees is the reduction there. What is that? The actual price is 100 rupees. So 10% discount, that is nothing but I have to pay 90 rupees to them. Okay, is it clear? The 10% amount is nothing but here 10 rupees. Okay, how much percentage? 10 percentage. Okay, how much rupees? 10 rupees. What is the actual amount? That is 100 rupees. 100 rupees consider as 100%. Okay, in the 10% we are getting the discount here. Okay, is it clear? Right, let us solve one example here. Yeah, discount is nothing but price reduction on the market price. Remember one note here. Discount will calculate or discount calculate on market price. Remember this thing. Okay, on the market price we take the discounts. Okay, right, let us see one example. Yeah, let us see this question based on the discount. Ravi went to a shop to buy a book. Printed price of a book is 80 rupees, but shop owner gave him a discount of 15%. 15% discount given. How much amount Ravi has paid to buy the book? So we have to find the how much amount Ravi has paid to buy the book. Okay, right, let us see. So solution I am writing here. So given printed price, nothing but market price. Okay, how much given? Rupees 80. Discount, how much? 15%. Okay, right, we have to calculate the discount here. Right, so discount amount is equals to 15% of rupees 80. Is it clear? Right, so 15% into rupees 80, that is nothing but 15 by 100. If I remove this percentage symbol, we can write in the denominator 100 into rupees 80. 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 5s, 2 4s, 5 1s, 5 3s. So what is the remaining? 3 into rupees 4, that is nothing but rupees 12 rupees. Yeah, 12 rupees is the discount amount. That is nothing but 15% is 12 rupees. So how much amount Ravi has paid there? Right, so rupees 80 minus 15% of 80, that is nothing but rupees 80 minus rupees 12, 68 rupees is the amount that Ravi has paid to the bookshop owner. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, after the discount, how much amount he has paid? 68 rupees. What is the discount amount? 12 rupees. What is the discount percent? 15%. Okay, right, this is the one method. So this we can solve another method also. Same problem I am going to solve in another method. It's look like same always, almost. Right, so 100% is considered as rupees 80 here. Okay, 15% is how much? So take down 15% in the numerator and take this 100% in the denominator into rupees 80 here. Okay, so these two gets cancelled percentages. 5 3s, 5 20s, 0 0 gets cancelled, 2 ones 2 4, this is nothing but 3 into 4, that is rupees 12. Okay, this 12 is the discount amount, that is nothing but, so rupees 80 minus rupees 12, that is 68 rupees we have to pay. Okay, just I am considering this 80 rupees as 100%, that is the extra concept here. Okay, right, we can solve the problem in these two methods, almost both are similar. Okay, right, yeah, in this way we find the discount amount. Okay, right.